so today I got a little project. I'm going to make a little cavity. So I've got a spot there where my table slides in. So I thought it'd be a good idea to make one to slide my fire pit in. And if I have enough time, I'll make one as well to slide my stove in. So then I can just put them in and out without having to unpack other bags. It's nice and lightweight, only 12mm ply, and then I'll carpet that. But yeah, we'll just plug away at that today and see how much I get done. Righto, so first cut's done. I've done that at 560, and now I'm just going to trim it off to 545 for the width, and then that'll be pretty much the same dimensions, the width, as what I already have in there for the table, so that should work out pretty good. Alright, it's getting serious now. I've stripped all the back out. Got that, and now I'm just doing some other measurements. Just here, I'm using the old saw as the set square. Some paint. Alright, time to keep cutting. Alright, so here's where I am at the moment. So down here is the table, fire, stove. So I've just got to make a top for this, do a little bend there, and I've got all this space here. And then when I go away, I'll have spots to store here, but this will be carpeted and painted. But yeah, so far so good. Righto, I've got the bulk of it put together. Now I've just got to carpet it, and then we're all done. Give it a trial run. And if it doesn't work, doesn't matter. It's only like a 50, it cost me 60 bucks in the material. So we'll see how it goes. Use it on a few trips, but I'll hook into the carpet now. Righto, so I've got it all done there. As you can see, I've still got to clean up, but fire pit goes under here, stove goes in there, table goes in there, fridge in this side, and yeah, productive afternoon. Now I've just got the big tidy up here to do, but you can see a bit of the glue there. I've obviously just finished doing the carpet. Once that all dries up, I'll give it a little bit of a touch up there and it's all done. So yeah. Righto, so there I go, all finished. Fridge is back in, and you can see where I've got the table down the bottom, fire pit, and then the stove. Now I know I've said it a few times in this little video. Not sure whether I'm going to like this or not, because I do use a lot of soft bags and stuff to pack my stuff, but this might make it easier just for that setup and pack up at a campsite. I have, sort of worked it out with my bags on where things go. And I've drilled holes in the side as well, which I didn't show you, which will help with the ventilation with the fridge. So just if you are wondering, yes, there is ventilation still around the fridge itself. I did contemplate moving the stove across to the other side, but with what I use for my bags and things like that, it wasn't going to work out exactly how I wanted, but I might be able to move that down the track. It's quite simple to do. So yeah, just sort of add that final bit in, and I'll catch you all next time. Cheers.